Alright, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's commonly confused words. So lead, ed, oh no, lead, eed, lead, and lead, ed. So lead and lead. So lead, when someone or something follows you, whether by the hand or a command. I will lead the way. He wants to lead the party. She knows how to lead a team. He is good at leading. Very good. Grab my hand and I'll lead the way. Yes, grab my hand and I'll lead you to it. I led them to the forest. Can you I led them. Okay, no, not quite. I will lead them. I will lead them to the forest. Can you lead them to me? Can you lead them to me? But led, however, led is the past tense. I led her to the party. Who led you here? How did you find this place? How did you lead them here? Which path did you take? Which path did you take? We led them on the road to the motorway. I showed them the way. I led them here. I led them here. They led themselves here. They came here by themselves. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. He knew he can lead. He can lead people because he has that kind of character. He led them to the city. He led them to the city. And here we are. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So lead, eed, and ed. Lead. I will lead the way. I will lead you through English. I will lead you through the English language. And I led you through a lot of lessons. I led you through a lot of lessons over the weeks and months. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, can you use lead and led in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And subscribe, like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as by searching Adrian Nanchev on Udemy. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.